Hey everyone, this is Leo and this is for TSM 435. This is for our PID Controller Lab. So as you can see, this is our app right here. We're going to use 5 gauges for this lab. This is for our actual value, error int, error diff, and our PMW output. They're all in voltage. These are our K values, KP, KI, and KD. And these are sliders that we're going to use to control them. And speaking of sliders, we have this slider over here. This is for our set point. We're gonna have these are basically inputs. They're the exact same thing. They're just different ways to input the set point that we want to change the actual value to. And so here's a stop button. And so we're gonna run it and see what happens. So the LED turns on, then it turns back off, and then this pops out over here. Right there. Okay, so let's set it at let's go to 2. Why not? So I set it at 2 right now, about 2. Anyways, the actual value is going to go right about 2. It's going to go down to 1.9, then up to 2.10, to 2.1, and then go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But it's going to be around the 2.2 range. I'm going to type in, I don't know, let's do 1.5. Sorry, there's no one. There we go. Enter. Slider moves, and then the actual value gauge tries to get around to 1.5. A little bit more, a little bit less, but you get the idea. So now if we set Ki to 0, the Ki value, we're gonna see what happens. It doesn't want to listen to me anymore. It doesn't want to follow the set point. It just goes straight to the max and kind of just stays there. Everything kind of over here just goes haywire. So now let's see what happens when we put these all the way up here. It just doesn't want to listen to me. This thing is just continuously on. It doesn't want to listen to me anymore. And it's kind of just broken, for lack of a better word. It's just going to be continuously on. It's just going to be stuck there. And there's really nothing I could do. Nothing. Next, I'm going to show you what happens if I uncover or curve this. So we're going to go back to normal on this. I'll go here, and then we'll set this over here to 1. And then it'll take a minute for this thing to recover. Let's set it to 2. Why not? 2's a good number. All right, so we're gonna see the effects of this. If I remove it, it got dimmer. It starts flashing. What's going on? This all goes haywire, as you can see. Now, if I were to put it back, it stops going haywire. And sorry, let me put it back correctly. There we go. And this goes back to normal, and everything else is still trying to correct itself. But generally, it's going back to normal. And then if I just hit stop, the graphs pop out right here. As you can see, these are what we've been seeing. And yeah, that's my PID lab.